Okay, we're gonna read a little story and then we'll get started with our math. Do you guys kind of recognize this story a little bit? No, we haven't read it yet. Well, this book is by the same exact creator of the 10 Little Ladybugs, but this one's called Goodnight, Sweet Butterflies, and it's a color dreamland. So this book has a lot of color words in it, okay? All right, so here we go. It's called Goodnight, Sweet Butterflies. All right, ooh, it's really big, this book. Look at that. It says, hush, sweet butterflies, not another peep. It's time to find a place where you can go to sleep. Sleep and peep are rhyming words. On yellow daisies waving to the yellow setting sun. So look at, they're going to sleep on the yellow daisies. Let's count those fine butterflies. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 butterflies flying around. Oops, I'm sorry. Oh, now look at, they're going to sleep here. Near a trickling blue stream under a fading blue sky. So here's a blue stream and under the blue sky, right? Have you guys ever seen a stream? A stream is like a small little river, a little bit of water. On purple pansies tickling a purple dragonfly. So that flower right there, that type of flower is called a pansy. And you see the purple dragonfly? It's kind of hiding in the purple pansies, isn't it? See that? All right. By an orange fox dreaming in a grove of orange blossoms. So there's your orange fox. And there's the orange trees and the orange blossoms. We have lots of orange trees here in the desert, don't we? Lots of orange trees and grapefruit trees and lemon trees with a pink piglet and 3 playful pink possums. So there's your piglet and there's your pink possums. And those are the cherry blossoms too. It looks like cherry blossoms in the tree. Those are pretty too. On red roses as red robin sings good night. So the flower is called a rose, red roses. And this is called a red robin because his whole belly or his tummy of him is all red. So they're red robins and red roses. In a golden field glowing in the fireflies' gold light. So we don't have fireflies here, but I don't know if you've ever seen a firefly, but they're like flies, basically. They are flies that light up. Their little tail lights up. And their tail lights up so they can find a friend to play with. So it's kind of like lights up and says, hey, I'm over here, come play with me. And he lights up his tail and he can turn his tail light on and off at nighttime. And you can see him. With white sheep gazing at the white moon way up high. So there's a white sheep. And these white sheep are gazing, I mean they're looking. They're gazing up at the white moon up in the sky, way up high. And now you all are nestling neath the silver starry sky. Sweet dreams till morning when you can wake and play. So look at how colorful that area is. And all those different butterflies are hiding in all these different places. Huh. Another colorful springtime day. Oh, see that? All kinds of nice colors. All right, so that's our book for today. Nice colors. And in that story, I'm glad I knew my color words, because if I didn't know my color words, I would have had a really tough time reading that story. Okay, you want to learn your color words? Yes, you do. I know you do. All right, so let's see if you know them, okay? I took away the actual color, so it's just a word that looks like this. I know you've seen them before, but what color word is that? Right, blue, pink, brown, purple, green, yellow, white, black, gray, orange, and red. Those are all the words, most of them I read in that story right there. All right, why don't we do some counting today? I know yesterday, I remember we made it up to 90, so why don't we go all the way to 100 today? But we don't have to start at 1. We could start at, let's say, how about we start at 67, okay? So let's put 7 fingers up. And the quickest way I do this, I think I've been doing this every day, but maybe I didn't explain it, but I always just put 5. Do I need to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7? Do I need to count all those? No, because how many fingers do you guys have in your hand? 5. So you just count on from 5. So there's 5, 6, 7, right? That's so much faster. 5, 6, 7. Okay? And so then that way, it doesn't have to take forever and you don't have to put up finger by finger by finger. Okay? So if you want to show me 8, how would you do that? 5, 6, 7, 8. See? It's much quicker. How about 6? 5, 6. See? Okay. So anyway, let's go back. We're going to start at 60. Did I say 67? I think I said 67. Okay, so 5, 6, 7. 67. Okay, we're counting by ones, okay? 67, 68, 69, 70. Close them. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Then what? Is that it? No, then it goes 100. 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, and on and on and on and on. We won't do that today though. Okay. All right, so let's go ahead and count to 100 by tens. Here we go. 10, use 10 fingers then, right? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. How about we count to 100s by, which one haven't we done yet? Oh, 5s. Okay, so use your 5 fingers again. Here we go with that 5 fingers, right? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Oh, we did it. We're cruising. All right, today, since you're doing so awesome, I got some bigger numbers here for you, okay? So, I got them mixed up. These are those numbers that we did the other day. So I got some 30s and some 40s and some 50s in here. All right, you ready? So just remember, you got to pay attention to the first number there. So this number starts with a 3, so this will be 36, right? This number's a 3 again, 39, 34, 38, 35, 37, 32, 33, 31. Oh, now you got a 4. Then what? Right, 40. Playing with 40 because there's a 0, right? 46, 47, 48, 42. For a minute, I thought I was going in order. 46, 47, 48. Then I have to switch to 42. 49, 45, 43, 44, 41. Now what? There's a 5 there. So what do we say? 51. Right, 51, 57, 53, 50. When there's 0, you say 50, 58, 54, 52, 56, 59, 55, and last one I have is 6. So we say 60. 60. So we're working on those 3D shapes, or we call them solid shapes, as well as the 2D shapes, or those flat shapes, right? So 2D shapes, remember, are flat. 3D shapes are solid. We call them solid figures. We can hold them in our hand. Working on tracing. You have so many pages. I couldn't believe it today. You have so many pages. You're tracing shapes, and then you're drawing the shapes on your own. So I'll show you some tricks maybe to drawing some of those. You're not doing the 3D shapes, thank goodness, just the regular circles, triangles, rectangles. You are doing a hexagon though, that's kind of tricky. I did look on your one paper, and the one paper that you have, it is drawing a sphere. It's tricky, but just do your best, okay? I'll show you how I draw a sphere. They draw their sphere a little bit differently on the paper that you have. I'll show you how I draw a sphere, okay? But before we get started with that, let's figure out what all this sphere is, okay? Remember I showed you this the other day? If you were watching my videos, you'd see this already. But this is I don't have all kinds of shapes here, but this is the actual box, the container is I think I can open it somehow. Anyway, it's the shape of a what? Right, a cube. I know you can open it. I just had it open. Almost fell. Look at it. It opens up like this. It's kind of fancy. Okay, hang on. So see, look at that. Put it back together. Maybe. There. There. See this? And a cube. I don't know if you found something in your house that's shaped like a cube, but a cube has one, it's on the top, two, it'd be on the bottom, squares, right? One square, two squares, one, two, and then 3, 4, 5, 6. So it has 6 squares on it. See that? And now our, what's it called? Sphere. Our sphere is our baseball today. And our sphere, does it have any sides? Because slides are flat, right? So no sides on this guy. Can it stack? Has to have a flat side to stack. Does it roll? Oh yes, it does roll. Does roll. Hopefully it rolls into your mitt and not past you when you're playing baseball. And does it slide? Because it's no flat sides either. Now how about the cube? We'll go back to the cube. Does a cube slide? Sure does. Okay, look, this is my clipboard I have here. Okay, does it slide? Look, sure it slides. Can it roll? No, because it's not rounded. It can't roll. Can it stack? Sure it can. I stacked it right here on my clipboard. See? Whereas the ball, can the ball stack? No. No, it cannot stack. You roll right off and I'd lose it. Okay, how about this? I found Jacqueline's hairspray. Look at this. It's a bottle of hairspray. What shape is this? I know, it's a really long word. It's the longest word out of them. Cylinder. Cylinder. Say cylinder. You got it. And remember, a cylinder's got circle on one end of it, and you turn it over on the other end, it's got a circle on the other end. Okay, and this part of it is rounded, okay, or rolly, right? It's rounded, circular kind of. So that's why it can roll. So I get back that clipboard again. See, I can make it roll. I don't want to roll it off the thing, but it can roll, right? And can it stack? Sure, it can stack. It could stack that. It could stack that on top if I was really careful. Yeah, they stack. So it stacks, it rolls. Can it slide? It can because it's flat side. So it can also slide. Okay, so one of you on your paper, it says to draw a sphere. Now I'm going to show you on your paper, it draws a sphere. So you can start with a circle. Everybody can start with a circle. But a circle is not a sphere, right? So you draw your circle first, though. Remember, those solid shapes are going to be very hard to draw on paper. On your paper, it draws, they draw like a little oval inside the middle part of your circle to make it look like it's 3D, right? To make it look like it's a ball. Okay, so take a look. So what they do is they draw like a real shallow, like a smiley face. And then on the back, they do like dash, 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 like a sad face, but little dashes. That's part like you can't see. See, they think that looks like a sphere. Kind of. Okay, use your imagination here. Okay, Miss Wall sometimes draws a sphere to make it look like it's a circle, like this. Okay, start with your circle. And then I just do like a little line right here to make it look like it's rounded. And I showed you on that homework today that, you know, you could put a little triangle here at the bottom and then do this and it looks like a balloon. But it looks like it has a shape to it. So either way, to draw a sphere, it's really hard. You have to start with a circle though, and then you can either try this, doing it this way with a little shallow circle and dash, 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 little sad face. Or you could just draw a circle and just do like backwards C's or something like that there. Okay, that's it. All right, the rest of you guys are drawing just the regular shapes and like the square, circle. Well, we just did circle. Square, just really try to be careful when you draw your square that all the sides are the same length. It's kind of hard. That's pretty close. See, and then because the difference would be a rectangle. When you go to draw a rectangle, remember you have 2 long sides, okay, and 2 short sides. That would be the difference between a rectangle and a square. All the sides here are the same. See? See a circle? I think you have drawing a triangle, okay? So triangle, you could do like the letter A, like a capital A, okay? And then just attach the bottom. Or you could do like a capital V, or lowercase v, I guess. Either way. Like a V, and then there. Either way, it's the same. You could draw it this way too. Draw a line right here, and then draw like a sideways V. Do you see it there? like a flag, like a banner or something for your baseball team that you like. Okay. Hexagon's a little bit trickier. It's really tricky actually for you guys. But I start with a little line at the top and then make like, I don't know, kind of like it's a table or a chair or something with legs that are about to break. Okay. And then you'd go back this way and then something like that. See, mine doesn't look that great either. You got to practice that hexagon. Or you could do one like this, one at the top and one at the bottom like that. And then you could connect them with your, like a V on the side. That doesn't look great either. I'm still practicing my hexagons myself. All right, did we hit all the shapes? Square, rectangle. We had just a circle. We don't want to do a sphere, but circle would just be that first part. Triangles, those are all triangles. Hexagons. I think we got them all. Okay? All right, if you would like some help with your homework or you want to read me one of your books that you've been reading at the house, whether it's in your homework or like Chloe, she found some other books that she's been reading in her house. I'd love to hear you guys read to me. If not, if you just want to say hi to your friends, come join us at 1 o'clock. And that we were able to see Stephanie today. It was really nice to see Stephanie. So hopefully more people can join us tomorrow. Okay, take care. Have a good night. It is Thursday. Stay cool, and we'll see you guys later. Okay, take care. Bye.